Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your LOA bestie, Khali. In today's video we are talking about how to change your life for the better. The law of assumption is the belief that your thoughts and intentions can shape your reality. According to this law, if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you can manifest a better life for yourself. Set clear intentions. Before you can manifest anything, you need to know what you want. Take some time to think about what you truly desire in your life and be specific. The more specific you are, the more likely you are to manifest it. Focus on the positive. The law of assumption states that your thoughts and feelings have a direct impact on your reality. Therefore, it's important to focus on positive thoughts and feelings in order to manifest a better life for yourself. This means avoiding negative thoughts and emotions. Take action. Manifesting your desires is not just about thinking positive thoughts. You also need to take action towards achieving your goals. This means setting concrete plans and taking steps towards achieving your goals every day. Be patient and persistent. Manifesting your desires can take time, so it's important to be patient and persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep focusing on your intentions and taking action, and trust that the universe will bring your desires to fruition. That's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that you are powerful and you can create your desired reality. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.